Tower with Ryanair 7 Charlie Charlie, we are established 6.5 on final.
Ryanair 7 Charlie Charlie, Eindhoven Tower, good afternoon. You are number 1, continue, company 737 will depart at front.
Continue, Ryanair 7 Charlie.
Ryanair 642 Delta, switch to Dutch mail, 125 930, goodbye.
5930, Ryanair 642 Delta, bye-bye.
Ryanair 7 Charlie Charlie, clear to land, runway 03, wind is calm.
Qatar runway 02, Ryanair 7 Charlie Charlie.
Ryanair 7 Charlie Charlie, gate via Lima 2, switch to ground 121 930.
121 930, 121 Singapore, Ryanair 7 Charlie Charlie.
Hello, Ryanair 2 Foxtrot Romeo, ILS X03, 6.5 miles. Ryanair 2 Foxtrot Romeo, Eindhoven Tower, good afternoon. Runway 03, clear to land, wind is 020 at 6.
Clear to land, runway 03, Ryanair 2 Foxtrot Romeo.
Ryanair 2 Foxtrot Romeo, gate via Lima 2, switch to ground 121 930.
Lima 2 121 930, Ryanair 2 Foxtrot Romeo. Tower hello, with 41 X-ray, X-ray, ILS X-ray, runway 03.
With 41 X-ray, X-ray, Eindhoven Tower, good afternoon. The wind is 050 at 6, runway 03, clear to land.
Runway 03, clear to land with 41 X-ray, X-ray.
41 X-ray, X-ray, gate via Lima 2, switch to ground 121 930.
Eindhoven Tower, runner 2 Golf X-ray, good afternoon, full established, ILS X-ray, 03.
Ryanair 2 Golf X-ray, Eindhoven Tower, good afternoon. The wind is 060 at 6, runway 03, clear to land.
Carolina, runway 03, runner 2 Golf X-ray.
Eindhoven Tower, good morning, Eagle Flight 1449, taxiing down to runway 7.
Neil Mike 1449, Eindhoven Tower, good afternoon, roger. Ryanair 2 Golf X-ray, gate via Lima 2, switch to ground 121 930.
Lima 2 121 930, Hello.
Mike 1449, line up await via Romeo 7, runway 03.
Line up and wait via Romeo 7, runway 03, Eagle Flight 1449.